Presenting ESnipe Mart remote control stunt car. This multicolor toy car is recommended for children aged 24 months and up. The box measures 16.2 by 12.6 by 11.4 centimeter and weighs 320 grams. The car is made of high-quality plastic and rubber with a firm and durable body that can withstand crashes. Moreover, this RC vehicle is lightweight, meaning you can store it and carry it around everywhere. The car design includes a 360-degree front wheel that makes it easy to flip and spin. The radio remote control system gives rapid response by joystick. The car is small in size and lightweight, making it easy to carry out. In all, the stunt vehicle needs 5 AA batteries to function. The batteries are not included in the pack. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.